Hello everyone, Stixon back again for Gunpla review of the HG Wing Gundam Zero. And I gotta show you guys, this is the Neo Bird mode. It's pretty cool actually, but it's just a very simple transformation we have here. Actually, for the legs is kind of like a parts former. Like I have the legs right here, and what you do. Okay, let me just take this thing off the stand for a second. All right, hold on. Okay, here we go. Here's the part that we take off. It's the thruster part, which is the legs for the Wing Gundam Zero. And let me just show you the transformation for this thing. Okay, I'll be back. Alright,